Gorno-Altaisk. That's where I'm going. I feel a little hazy, couldn't sleep, and it was an overnight plane, despite being in business class. But anyways, we're taking the helicopter. Should be fun taking it sleep deprived for the first time. Boomers to zoomers. I'm gonna die! This was sick, bro. So scary, but so worth it and fun. Bye. This is the camp. This is the other part of the camp. We're 2,200 meters up in the air. Whew. No connection, no Wi-Fi, no nothing for 3 days. Might sound frightening, but oh my god, I'm so excited. As I said, positive habits. Altai! Let's go get some sleep-deprived sauna. Тут. Короче, пошли! Ну как водичка? 3 градуса это то, что надо. Все, достаточно. Dinner time. Haven't eaten anything in 3 days, so I'm going to enjoy it. Let's give it a taste test. You know what? The grechka with meat apparently, which there's not much of. Dish. Best. I love it.
Is it possible to sleep here? Very cold.
I'm grateful for this tent. It's a nice tent actually. Well, let's hope it's not like this for 3 days, or we're gonna become very close friends. Good morning. I've had a hell of a night. Don't ask me, but I've been through some shit. However, the morning is beautiful. I actually thought the sun is not gonna come out anymore. The sun is gone, but anyways. Yeah, let's see what we got for the day. Today the weather is good, so we're going on a 1-day hike to the mountains. Let's go! One more time. 3, 2, 1. Woo! the mountain. Looks like Switzerland, but it's actually Altai. Bro, it's like 20 degrees and there's snow. I don't know. Should I be concerned about it? Woo! This is what a real Russian alpha male looks like. We have arrived in one of the best places to do one of my favorite things, and that is drone racing. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, we're about to dive some mountains. It's gonna be epic. I hope. I don't know, man. It sounded and looked pretty bad. Not very hopeful. Went straight into the tree. Rookie pilot here, what can I say? Well, let's hope we find it. I think it was that tree. Oh, it's kind of sketchy. Bro, which tree was it even? I think it could have been that one. I think.
2 hours later.
Someone found it. The only bad news is it's in the water. Here he is.
Камень в руки даже. Аккуратно, аккуратно. Камера там хоть целая.
Капитально.
Камера тоже в хлам.
Капитальный крэш.
Drone racing. Let's do it. Let's do it. It's gonna be epic. I hope. We had a short-lived relationship. He was like a father to me.
Спасибо большое, всего доброго.
We're back in civilization. These houses look cozy as f. Look at this. No, not Yaroslav.
Ярослав. К вам Лукас заселяется. Все, приятного отдыха.
Papa. What's up, handsome? This is a real upgrade. Yeah.
Finally,
Yes.
civilization.
Yes. This is the bed. Oh, God bless. Most importantly, we didn't have a shower for 3 days. Whoo! Shower! Anyways, I'm gonna settle down and we got something planned for today.
Altai, жилище трех богов.
Давайте все спать.
The weather is lovely today, and you know, they got something exciting planned for the morning. It should involve exercise and something cool. Honestly, I have no idea. So let's check it out. Buddy, a friend? A friend? Oh my God, it's beautiful. Lovely way to start the day, but we still got a busy day ahead of us.
It's nothing personal, girl, I had to let you go. You had my heart and soul, but I just couldn't, no I just couldn't see us working out, and you were behind the doubt. So in the meantime, I'm gonna leave, I see what happens now. I get 1 text, 2 texts, 3 more after 4, talking about I'm a and you're the best. How I did you wrong? I be like, this just tripping. Had me in the trap caught slipping. Had me coming back, that's missions. Until one day I just ditched her. She like,
Woo!
that type of chick. Get so mad, might fight a chick. With all types of licks, you be taking shots, all types of hits. But sometimes it missed. Got a line and she crossed it into the mix. Tryna play me like this, but I played a few tricks, laid a few tracks. You could tell she slipped, tripped, fell, landed on stupid. love. Matter of fact, Cupid. I be down in the dumps like Oscar. Probably cause the way I lost her got me losing. She get an Oscar, such an actress, but she wasn't acting when I had her on a mattress. Now I made moves and she made one. No more games, you won't play none.
Do you think all these things you do? You act like you're so hard, you take me for some fool. You're moving me around and really that's not cool. All I wanna know is why you wanna do me like that. Why you wanna do me like that?
Guys, there's a deep black hole and there's probably a monster in there. Monster. Cute monster. He may look cute, but he do be dangerous. He's Russian, don't forget. I met a local village boy. He has never seen a city, a phone. He's gonna show me the animals, his favorite animals. Hey, как тебя зовут? Да? Guys, this is a rare phenotype. It's called AK-47. Obviously, I came here at the wrong time.
Крымский сорт мелба растет и вызревает. Белый налив, московская грушевка. Сады давали до 20 тонн яблок. Экологически чистых яблок. А что ты не подпевал?
Говорит об одном, что нет пути обратно, что я не твой мотылек, а ты не мой Андрейка. Что у любви у нашей села батарейка.